Okay. Hi guys. Today we're gonna be making pizza.
Second one.
Third, no, fourth pizza.
Fourth
Yeah.
pizza after how many flavors? Two, three?
So don't. So I had a plan. I had a master plan that I'm gonna like cook food and put it in three categories like easy, medium, and hard. And first idea was to put pizza in easy mode. And then what happened?
Oh my god, epic fail. So we had like three fails, and the first one was
Just
too many toppings, and the second one was very hard. The dough was just hard. You couldn't
use it as a weapon. We were thinking of maybe making a ship or something. Yeah.
If you hit someone with it, they will definitely fall.
Yeah. And the biggest regret was the third try. Like pizza looked beautiful. It was ready for the internet. Right? It looked like in a magazine, but the dough
Exactly the way we wanted.
The dough was so thick that when it was finished, half of the dough was raw.
It was okay just in the bottom and up part, and then in the middle you had just raw dough.
Raw. Terrible.
Yeah.
But like in the end we tried once more and we said like we're just gonna make a poor man's pizza. We're not gonna put anything on the pizza, just little bit of everything.
And it was a great idea.
Yeah, pizza was great.
It was great. Even the piece that you put for me to take to work, it was lovely. It was nice.
only fourth try, guys. So we're pretty good chefs out here.
Tell us on the comments, guys, how many tries takes you to do pizza, or if you like it thick or
Thin.
subscribe, like, and comment.
Bye.